Okay, so Declan and I are going to show you how we remodeled his rooms. So we're coming in here. This is the room by the master bedroom, by our bedroom. So we come in, and you can see that the walls are this nice blue now instead of that horrible red, ugly red that was before. So here we have his changing table with his bibs and all the blankets down there, and that's where we keep his clothes. And it works for us. It may not be the neatest thing, but it works. And there's his cloth diapers. This is his crib, and so we've got my mom's old quilt on it right now. We've got his baby crack machine, otherwise known as the Fisher-Price waterfall soother. He loves to stare at it, but he can't watch it at night because otherwise he cries when it goes off. We got his Winnie the Pooh mobile that he just loves. We got his art card mobile. You can see those. He likes looking at those, all those black and white shapes. And that's his toy box down there. And here you can see he's got his Winnie the Pooh stickers. We got Pooh and Piglet there. And over here we have Tigger and Eeyore and all the bees. And I've got nice curtains up here. And then we go in, this is his bedroom. So then we go into the playroom. And you can see it's a nice yellow, buttery yellow. The sun's going down, so you don't have quite as good color right now, but it used to be this horrible mustard yellow color. And so here we have the rocking chair. This is where he gets his bottle at night. I've got my pillow for comfort, and I can put his bottle and bibs and blankets and binkies there. And there's the artwork that I have. I like it very much. Look, matching curtains. It matches the artwork, and it matches the play mat on the floor and the pillow that I used to hang out with him, and even all the stickers on the door. Look at me, I'm so coordinated. I've never had such a coordinated room in my life. The lion picture there. And there is the very best thing ever invented for babies, the swing. He loves napping. In fact, that's the only place he'll nap. And next to it's the cradle that my grandfather made for us, made for me when I was a baby. And so it holds all of his toys right now. So there you have it. One brand new refurbished baby room.